Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to create a list on X. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen to access side menu. And then from the list of functions you want to go to lists section. Let's go here, and in the bottom right corner of your screen you want to tap this new list icon. It looks like this, and finally here you can create your list. So first of all, you can upload photo to your list. Let me upload some kind of image, and then also I can set exact position of it. Then of course I want to give my list a name. Let's name it somehow. Then I can provide description, it's optional, and then I can set my list as private if I want to create a list that will be visible only to me. And if the switcher is off, then it will be public and everyone can see it. Now let's tap create button right here. And also you can add some people to your list, of course. So those will be your members. You can use search bar at the top of your screen to find accounts, specific accounts that you want to add. And then also you can use this add button next to each profile in order to add member to your list, of course. And then when you're done, you want to tap done button in the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is your list. Also, you can find it if you, for example, on your feed, you want to tap your profile picture, then go to lists section, and here you will see your list under the tab your lists. So that's how you can create a list on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.